Hello, welcome to Magical Maidens Reviews. Today what I have for you is a very pretty necklace by Yami on Amazon. The store on Amazon is Yami, Y-A-M-I, and it's very beautiful, and I really want to show it to you. And I'm going to show you what it looks like on me, and I'm also going to tell you a little bit about it and read a little bit about it for you. So I also want to remind you, when you're done watching this video, please look below this video in the description box for the link to this product, as well as all the information. So let's get started. Okay, so I have the necklace here. So I have the product here. It comes in a box like this, and then you slide it out, and it's going to come with a cloth in a plastic baggie, and then it's going to come like this in a clear container box. So then you just open it, and you'll see a little dip where you put your finger to open it, and then you open it like that. And I'm going to take it out and I'm going to show it to you. It's very pretty, and I'm going to put it on and everything. First impression was, I like the cute box. I like that you can see through it. So if you want to keep this box to store it in, you can go through your jewelry and still see it. And when you have a lot of jewelry like I do, you want to look through it and see where it is instead of having to go through everything. So it's a cute box, and I like that they give you a cloth, a jeweler's cloth, to keep it nice and polished. So here it is, and it has an engraving in it, and I'll read it to you and I'll show you a close-up picture. Look at the beautiful chain. It's got like a sparkle to it. It's got links, but it's also very like shiny. So I really love that. A little bit about it to you, but I want to put this on. Now, as you can see from the chain, you have this much space, so if you need it a little longer or shorter, and then it has like a little charm at the end. So I'm going to put this on. If I go in the dark a little further, you can see it, but it really sparkles. It's very beautiful, and I'm going to show you a little close-up later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the site on Amazon, the Yami store, Y-A-M-I, and I'm going to read a little bit about it to you while I show you some pictures, of course. But this is very beautiful. My first impression was it was really nice quality. I always look at the packaging, and I like the packaging. I thought it was cute. I like the clear box. I like the fact that they do give you a cloth to keep it clean. So I really like the packaging, and then I look for the quality, and I do jiggle it around, make sure nothing's going to fall apart. I'm always looking at quality for my jewelry, and this is really great quality. It's very pretty. So let's get started, and I'll tell you a little bit about it. So again, this is on Amazon, and it's the store called Yami, Y-A-M-I. And now they have many different colors to choose from, but I like silver the best. And it's called the Love Heart Necklace for women. It's got an inlay of Akoya seawater pearl. It's gold-plated, single double heart. The black pearl necklace, and it makes a great gift for birthdays, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or just any day. You can give this to anyone that you love. You will be able to see different pictures. Now, they have it in silver, they have it in gold, 14 karat gold, and then they have it in many different colors. They have it in 14 karat gold, they have it in rose gold, and they also have it in silver, and they have different versions of it. This is the double one, and then they have the single heart. Now, I'll show you some pictures. So this is a black pearl. Okay, so now the chain length, it has the extension chain that I showed you with the little charm at the end. It's 18 to 2 inches, and the pendant length is 1 inch, and the width is 1 inch. The design, it's a hand-selected 10 to 11 millimeter Akoya seawater pearl set in a heart-shaped pendant. And it symbolizes, you know, the love you have for someone that you give this to. It's a perfect gift, like I said, for either Mother's Day, birthdays, Valentine's Day, or just any day. It's high quality, and the necklace is made of 316 stainless steel. It never fades. It's suitable for sensitive skin, and it's very comfortable. It's not heavy, and it's electric ionic polishing. And it has the luster of white gold, and it's more resistant to corrosion. I also have an inlay of high quality zirconia. So you can see it around there, and it's very pretty. It's very durable and very good quality. And I love the chain. I love the heart. I love the pearls and the zirconias. I just love all the shine and shimmer. I love things that glitter, shine, and shimmer. So this was very eye-catching. This one was the double heart. And the inscription, it's very small, but you can see it. It says, "I love you." And then it says, on the other side, it says, "For always and forever." And you have the zirconia wrapped around, and then the silver wrapped around. So, like I said, it's a very pretty necklace. It's very good quality. And I like the double-centered black pearl. It's right in the center, and they have other ones to choose from, like I said. They also have the single heart that isn't double layered, and that also has the zirconia, and you can pick different pearls to choose from. And I really, really like it a lot. So it's very, very pretty. I love the chain. Again, I'm very picky. I like sparkle and high shine and shimmer. And I like that the chain does that. And I also love the pearl. It's not just black. It's got like a blue undertone to it. It's really beautiful to see in person. And I love the zirconia. It's very high shine. So this makes a great gift, like I said, or even for yourself. Right? Everybody loves you. You gotta love yourself. Now, the inscription, the engraving of the words are very, very tiny, but you can see them, and it just adds to a nice design. Know anybody that might be interested in a necklace like this to give as a gift to somebody, or you know they might be looking for a gift to give someone, go ahead and share this review video. And also, please don't forget to look below this video in the description box for the link and all the information for this product. And remember to visit the Yami store on Amazon. That's Y-A-M-I, Yami. While you're there, look at the other different colors and different kinds. Again, they have the single or the double layered heart, like I showed you. And they're all very pretty. They have gold, silver, rose gold, and different versions of that, and two kinds of pearls, the white and the black pearl. And again, they're very good quality. It's a very pretty necklace. Thanks for watching. Bye.